In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your settings in HubSpot 2025. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher on navigating through the settings, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you're able to manage your settings efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up just the way you want it. First, let's head over to the HubSpot user guide. You'll want to open a web browser of your choice and type in the URL for HubSpot, or simply navigate to the user guide section from within your HubSpot account dashboard. This user guide will be the starting point of our tutorial and is a handy tool for accessing a wealth of information that you'll occasionally need. Once you've arrived at the user guide, direct your attention to the settings icon. It's typically represented by a cogwheel, and you'll find it near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this icon. Accessing settings is a crucial step because this is where you can control and customize many aspects of your HubSpot account to tailor it to your specific needs. With the settings menu open, locate the option labeled Inbox. Click on it to proceed. The inbox settings allow you to manage communication channels and ensure that you're receiving all necessary updates and information in an organized manner. It's vital to keep this section optimized for seamless communication. Next, look for the section labeled Inboxes and give it a click. By accessing Inboxes, you have the opportunity to manage various inbox settings and preferences. This setting is especially useful if you're managing communications for multiple teams or projects, as it allows you to keep everything sorted and under control. Finally, in the Inboxes settings, you'll see an option called Access. Clicking on this will give you control over who can access and manage each inbox, and this is particularly important for team leaders or managers who need to ensure that the right team members have the appropriate level of access. Double-check these settings to confirm that they align with your current operational needs. By following these straightforward steps, you're now capable of navigating and customizing your HubSpot settings with confidence. Remember, keeping your settings up to date guarantees better control over your workflows and communication processes. If you ever need a refresher or encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to revisit the user guide or even this tutorial. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Until next time, happy HubSpotting!